Hey guys, it's Al with Tech Made Easy. It is July, and yep, Ego is coming out with a new two-stage 24-inch snowblower. That's right. That's the image there on your screen. It looks pretty nice, and you can actually order it right now. Use our links and support our channel. So let's talk about this. So guys, this is going to come out in a tool only, which is SNT 2420 for $11.99, or a kit SNT 2424 for $15.99. That'll come with two 6-amp-hour batteries and the dual port charger. I actually like that charger. Now, just so you'll know, these are shipping around September, but that's 2 months away, which is crazy. Again, I'm going to leave a link in the video description if you want to pre-order and support the channel. So what is new? Well, guys, from what you see in front of you, the wheels are actually new. They're airless and maintenance-free tires, and they actually have really nice treads, I mean, from looking at it. So it's supposed to improve traction and guarantee that you don't get a flat, and they should last a long time. Now, the other thing that's new is these skids. Now, the thing that's unique about them, if you look at the image, is the placement. So they're actually placed behind the intake, which is interesting, you know, looking at these images. And I'm showing you a few images to try to help, but interesting. It's normally on the bottom, but now they're on the back. So different. But getting back to these wheels, I got to tell you, I mean, that's pretty darn cool and makes me want to upgrade. Now, the clearing width is still 24 inches. The intake height is 20 inches. The throw distance is up to 50 feet. And the drive system is obviously a variable self-propelled drive with forward and reverse. The auger is a variable speed auger. I did notice that you don't have any heated handle grips, but that might change by the time it launches. Now, the chute is controlled by a joystick, which offers up to 200-degree rotation. I like that. I really do. You do get 4 LED lights. You get 2 on the top near the control center, and then you get 2 on top of the intake. Now, the IP rating is IPX4. Now, I'm still surprised that it's IPX4. I thought by now this would move up to an IPX5, which isn't a big difference, but IPX4 offers splashes and spray resistance from any direction for about 10 minutes, so just keep in mind. And the tool will come with a 5-year warranty. Again, our links will be in the video description. Real quick, I'll pull up a couple of pictures so you can see different angles for now. This is one, and here is another. From the side view, again, you can see the differences there. Front view, right there. And top-down view. And that's it, guys. I hope the video was helpful. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. I sure hope you found it helpful. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. I'm going to go ahead and put our social media up on top if you want to follow us, and you'll be able to subscribe to our channel by clicking this round Tech Made Easy logo. Guys, thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.